I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid face serum. First, ensure your face is clean and slightly damp. This helps the serum penetrate more effectively. Dispense just 2 or 3 drops onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this powerful ingredient. Then, gently pat the serum all over your face and neck, avoiding harsh rubbing. This method ensures even distribution and maximum absorption for hydrated, plump skin. After applying your hyaluronic acid serum, it's crucial to layer correctly. Always apply it before any thicker creams or facial oils. This allows the serum to work its magic without being blocked. For best results, incorporate it into your routine both morning and night. Finally, always follow up with a good moisturizer. This step is vital to lock in the hydration and prevent the hyaluronic acid from drawing moisture out of your skin in dry environments. To get the most from your hyaluronic acid serum, avoid common pitfalls. Never apply it to a completely dry face, as this can actually dehydrate your skin. Always ensure your skin is slightly damp. Also, resist the urge to use too much. 2 to 3 drops are usually sufficient for your entire face. Overuse won't provide extra benefits and can feel sticky. Proper storage in a cool, dark place also helps maintain its efficacy. Using hyaluronic acid serum consistently offers fantastic benefits. You'll notice your skin feels deeply hydrated and looks visibly plumper, giving you a youthful glow. It also helps to significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time, improving overall skin texture. For those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.